guys, I'm back. So this is Nata Jasmine. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget the comment. Get out. Hey, you cannot go upstairs. Here only go with there. You can only swinging slowly, but you don't wanna make past everybody. Hey guys, don't forget na back to my channel. Dito na naman po ako. Naglalaro ng parkour, pero but this is not a parkour. For easily, ito ay, ano to? Wall hop Eiffel Tower. I think, oo. Thinking. Ah, haha, haha. Oh, get out. Here's food. Girl, you're so very slowly than me. My God, door. Hey, yeah. Thank you for the channel. Play. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm up na. No! Don't make me fail. I need to make this. Do you know is Real Rosa? I love Real Rosa because she is good than me. She is a player like wall hop. My God, Real Rosa. If you see, sana mapansin mo dito naglalaro ako dito. My God. Idol talaga kita. Grabe naman. Ho. I need to make this. Kailangan ka ganyan. Hindi ba? No. Malapit na ako mahulog dun eh. Kung naintindihan niyo man ang Tagalog, ito please nagtatagalog lang po. Kasi may Tagalog din po ako. May Tagalog po talaga kami din. Tagalog with Philippines. Pause. Okay, I'm here calling Dandir. No! Guys, sorry guys. Nahulog po ako. Natama ako din. Guys, thank you guys. Pawis na ako guys. Thank you. Basta, don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Kasi pawis na ako. And, ayaw ko na. Nahulog na lang ako. Hindi na ako kaya. Wala nang kamay ko. Hey guys, so yun lang guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. You're the best. Love you all. Mwah. And sana mapansin nila Seyok. Sino ba yun? Yung babae. Basta madami yun sila guys. Na idol ko. Lalo na yung si Seyok pati yung babae. Okay, don't forget girl and boy, Seyok. And you are Rantic. I know you're Rantic. And like Adora, please show me my TikTok share. Bye bye. Love you all. Molly spell.